Hello everybody, I am Ekrem. In this lesson there are two parts. In the first part we will focus on vocabulary about life events, and in the second part our focus will be on verb-noun collocations. For the first part, before we continue, please think about the events that cause important changes in our lives, and the words you see below may help you think. Now for the first exercise, I want you to match the words phrases below with the verbs you see on the right side of the slide. And here you see the answers. Before we continue, for a better pronunciation, I will go through each of these phrases and I want you to repeat after me out there. 1, 2, go. Fail your exams. Pass your exams. Be offered a job. Get a place at university. Get a degree. Get engaged. Get married. Lose your job. Lose money. Split up with a partner. Get promoted. Buy a house. Which of these events we have listed below are positive, and which of them you think are negative? And here is my classification. I have grouped them for you. Hope you agree with me. For the next exercise, please fill in the blanks in each sentence with the words you see in green. And here are the answers for the exercise. And now I want you to think about the words and phrases that helped you to find the correct answer. And in fact, I have highlighted them for you. For example, in the first sentence, the words happy, finishing the school, helped us decide that the answer was pass the final exam. Or for the third sentence, studying 2 more years or wanting to be an expert were the key phrases to help us think that the correct answer was get a degree. So, using the same tactics we have used without knowing or knowing in this exercise for the next exercise, but this time it is just a little bit different. This time I want you to guess the meanings of the words involved. For this, you need to read each sentence carefully. So, if we have read the sentences carefully, I think now we have an idea of what they may mean, and here is a little practice for you to find their meanings. And here are the answers for this exercise. In fact, that was the end of the first part. Now it's time to move on to the second part. Verb-Noun Collocations. I have written some sentences for you, and as you see also in the example, I want you to find verb-noun collocations. What I mean find the verbs which are followed by nouns. And here are the answers. Watch the program, jump the queue, get a seat, held a sale, raise money, doing experiments. Which of these collocations are about money, daily life, and signs. Can you group them? Here are the answers for that question. Now, I want you to read the sentences in practice 1 again, this time more carefully, and match the words with the definitions. Here we see the answers. Jump the queue, not to wait in a line. Get a seat means finding a place to sit in a train or in a room. Holding a sale means to sell things for a cheaper price, to make the prices cheaper. Raise money raise money means collecting money for a reason. For example, you want to buy a birthday present for your friend, or you want to start a social project and you need money. What you do, you collect the money for a specific reason. And the experiment is testing something, especially in laboratories by scientists, researchers, to see if something works or not. And lastly, in this final exercise, I want you to fill in the blanks with the collocations in red. And here you see the answers. Guys, thanks for listening to me. And my last tips for you, while learning a new word, please always write them on a paper or on a notebook once at least, or twice or 3 times maybe. And always, please, while learning a new word, please learn them with the correct pronunciation at the very beginning of the learning process. And here are some practice advice from me and a further study for you if you want to study further. Take care, guys. Thanks for listening again. Bye.